Master Teacher Virgo checking in once again, and this is the connector. We got defects in our eyes, that's why we drew stars with the points in the sky. It's the distance, for instance. We knew the sun realm, but gave the stars a different outfit. It's time to patch our mental leaks before the ship sails and we losing our ships. Before this gas finally pass and we lose control of our bowels and we losing our shit. We think this low information is high information and it got us stuck in a ditch. If nothing can be destroyed, then nothing exists. Here's a hint. Heat energy comes from a place, so as I move real fast, I heat up my space. The best example of this is the sun. So even if the light went out and could be replaced, we got nothing for the heat factor that sustains this earth, and we all be displaced. So certain kind of energy can be created, but destroyed, that's another case. I try my best not to laugh in my brother's face, but it's idiotic how they make mistakes in their debates. I can connect the scientific with the mystic with one handshake, but we can agree or disagree. But you can't see me with a Mason with all his books and a 33rd degree. The most underrated master teacher, they never heard of me, but I write words to see, so clear, even if you heard the B. Closed mouths don't get fed, but I won't clove a B. ITCH in my reality, that's really light, but I'm really litty. Not only the brightest star on earth, the brightest star in my city. And this is MTV. Checking in and checking out. Peace. Gone.